If you're like me and you are scrolling through TikTok and YouTube all day long, ignoring all your work, then you obviously must have heard of a trend which is known as becoming a Pinterest girl, becoming that girl for a day. These are the type of girls that are extremely productive. They wake up early, they don't like to sleep at all. They wake up early and just start working all day long. They never get tired, they're extremely energetic. I don't even know whether they're human or not, but I decided to become one day. So here is becoming a Pinterest girl for a day. Yay!
আনবো না কেন?
না আমি আনাই আনলে তো বলতেই মটন আমি খেতে হবে তুমি তো ইলিশ আনাচ্ছ চিংড়ি আনাচ্ছ সবই তো নেই
কলা দিয়ে দিয়ে মুখে পুর।
Let's converse for a little bit, shall we? Talk about my day. Woke up at 8 a.m. and I made my bed, as you guys already saw, and then I told my mom to make lemon juice like I already told her the previous night, but obviously she forgot. Why wouldn't she? So I couldn't get an aesthetic shot of the making of the lemon juice, but I did get the final product, so that's that. Then I was studying biology the entire time. I was studying transpiration. That's productive. I drank water also. Shut up. Stop. Nothing can be more productive than this. This is the most productive day I ever had. I was reading biology plus I drank water. My day has ended. Okay, my day has ended. Now I will shampoo. I have brought some new shampoos. I will shampoo, and then I have a tuition. I have a physics tuition at 8 a.m. and I will have to be present to copy the notes that Sad is giving. Then after that I will exercise. I will exercise, yes. I have been exercising also. It's not like that I just trying to become a Pinterest girl. I'm exercising. I've been exercising for the past 7 days. I got thin. I swear to God, I got thin. I got thin. I can like see the visual difference. There is no change on the scale. But still, I saw visual changes. That's good. And my hair also grew. At least some good things are happening in my life. Stop. Maybe friends are leaving me. Maybe no one loves me. Maybe I have a toxic family. But what's that for? Like, my hair grew. That's the best news. So I will shower. Oh my God, is someone looking? No one is looking. It's a good weather. Everything is going fine. Till now. I ate oats, by the way. Today, let's open the package and talk. I ate oats. First of all, listen up. I don't know how you Insta baddies, Pinterest girls do this shit, but this thing, like this, waking up at 5 a.m., drinking lemon juice, the girls having their life together, I don't think this lifestyle is sustainable. Everyone has some bad days in their life, and I don't think it's possible for a person to be so productive every single day. Like, we need rest days also. Like, I can never do this today, never again. Eating oats in the morning, ew. Oats is actually a diet food, and when I tell you, no diet food is tasty, no diet food is tasty, okay? If you think diet food is tasty, you have COVID, you have lost your sense of taste, you should go see a doctor. Don't go up of the house. This type of food is also not tasty. Lemon juice is so sour. Ew. It detoxifies your body or something. So so I drank it. That's so like I can pinch my nose and drink it without even sensing the taste of it. So that's good. I did that only. But I drank water. This day was productive. Now I still have a lot to do. Like I made a to-do list also. I will show it to you guys when I'm there. I made a to-do list. I made so many things. I'm having a self-care thing also for 1 hour. After that my tuition begins. I have work to do. I can't stay in the shower for 3 hours. This is the shampoo. Oh. Now I will shower. Obviously showering is productive, right? Don't tell me it's not. You are shut up. Look at the sky. It's so pretty. The weather is so nice. When I say the weather is nice, now only a child is gonna come in front of that window and start screaming. I just know.
পাওয়ার অফ লেন্স বলে দেবে যে
Physics class, bitches.
একটা রে
Physics
অফ
class.
লাইট যখন একটা
Do you
লেন্সের
like
ভিতর দিয়ে
physics?
যাচ্ছে
I mean,
তখন তার
I do
ডিভিয়েশন
like some
অ্যাঙ্গেলটা কত হবে
chapters, but I don't like the majority of chapters.
যদি হাই পাওয়ার হয়
He's teaching
Just
us
deviate
power
করবে।
magnification and
No
diminution
power
of
হলে
focal length of a lens.
সব
So
deviate করবে।
that should be good.
Okay.
Let's see. He will also
এটা
get
হলো
some
power of
notes and I have to
lens
write them down. So
তুই বলবে ডিভিয়েশন ওয়েভলেন্থ
what? Am I a Pinterest girl yet?
তাহলে একটা হাই
So this is late at night and I am listening to the recordings of a chemistry class I forgot to attend. Like he gives us all the recordings in the group, so I am listening to them. I exercised. I did Caroline. I am actually doing Caroline's Girvan or Girvan's. I can't say that's her name. A program which is Epic 1. I think Epic 2 is the hardest. Epic 1 is for intermediate, so I'm doing that. Oh my god. Then I also, guys, my hair does not look nice, but it feels nice. Like it just smells of coffee, and that shampoo worked. I love that shampoo already. Now the thing that the other thing that Pinterest is it Pinterest or Pinterest? I think it's Pinterest. Okay, the other thing that Pinterest girls do is at the journal. I don't have any diary, so I decided to journal in one of my study notebooks only. Let's journal for some bit. Oh my god, I forgot my pen. It is now 2 hours late and I forgot my pen, so I went outside to get my pen and I wrote in my journal, live happily, die happily. I don't know how to journal. I think it's just, I can't sit here and write about my day for 3 hours straight. Sorry, I don't have that time. So I wrote a comment, a quote. I think that will do it. That will do. So officially I am now a Pinterest girl. This was just for one day. This is just for one day. So that was the end of the video, guys. Now I will go to sleep. Oh my god, can you see my finger? I am hoping that you all will have a wonderful day. If you don't, just remember the girl sitting here is also not having a good day. So you're not alone. Bye.